We're closing in on the final steps for a successful kitchen renovation. Step number 9, choosing the right plumbing fixture. And that will usually start with a selection of the right kitchen sink for your kitchen. Now, when you're choosing a sink, you also need to choose your faucet at the same time because it will determine a lot to do with the style of the sink that you pick out. And you may choose one that's made of granite, one that's cast iron, or a lot of people still love the old-fashioned stainless steel sink. But nowadays, you can get it with a mirrored finish, brush finish, or satin bowl with mirrored finish. So all those decisions have to be made. But another reason to select the faucet at the same time is that some faucets require only 1 hole, others 3 holes, and others require 3 holes plus an extra one for the sprayer. Now you can also use some of the extra holes that you have in a sink to install, say, an instant hot water dispenser or a filtered water dispenser or even one of the soap dispensers that a lot of people find very convenient. So you'll see a lot of things to select at the home center when you're looking for the right plumbing fixture, so plan on spending some time on that as well. Now step number 10 is choosing the right light fixture. A kitchen is a room full of tasks. Tasks like chopping up the salads, rolling out the dough. So it only makes sense to provide adequate lighting for all of these tasks. A task lighting can be achieved in a number of different ways. One is to install a low-profile fluorescent under the wall-mounted cabinets to provide a nice glow of light right on the counters where you may be doing some of these tasks. Another way is to strategically place recessed light so that the cone of light will illuminate right where you want that light. Another one that's a very popular way of adding a nice decorative touch to your kitchen is by using pendant lights. Now this is a light fixture that hangs from the ceiling on a small down rod, and these can be positioned anywhere you want. Very popular way of kind of lighting up an island cabinet. But you know, people also want nice even lighting in their kitchen, and a lot of homeowners choose to go with a fluorescent light mounted right in the middle of the kitchen. Now these look a lot better than the fluorescents of years ago because the covers over these fixtures completely block out being able to see the fluorescent tubes themselves, because that can kind of have a institutional or kind of a cheap look to it. But the best type of lighting in a kitchen is one that's very versatile, that'll allow you to turn on all those lights when you need that intensity, or to be able to kind of fine-tune the lights a little bit and maybe tone them down. Say you're having a party, because we all know everybody ends up in the kitchen during a party.